I'm Andrew Reed of A Brilliant Shine. We're here in Amelia Island, Florida, taking care of 86 cars for Gooding & Company Collector Car Auction. We are supported and endorsed by Lake Country Pad Manufacturing, as well as Griot's Garage Car Care Products. A lot of the industry has started going towards long throws and orbital machines. Lake Country has a pad line known as the HDO, which is absolutely excellent. They have a great line of products. Their heavy correction foam material does great at pulling out larger defects. They have finishing pads that are for the HDO line as well that give you an insanely crisp look. I fell in love with Lake Country pads when I met one of the representatives from the company and started working really closely with them. We tried pad combinations that I never thought about before, and I've never had that personal experience with another company until Lake Country stepped in. Their pad line is insane. They understand what you need, they give you what you want, and they make it work, and they make it worth your while.